So guys, it's basically Sunday, right? And how best can we start the week if not a recap of the trade that we took last week? Okay, so let's get the start and do a review.
So guys, the week started off a good note. Okay, we started the week with a win on V25. I shared this trade on my weekly outlook for last week, so let's start with that. All right, let's start with that. I believe the trade was around here. Yeah, this is the trade. All right, we had a sweep here. Okay, and then we had a break of structure now. All right, and then price retraced and gave us structural liquidity. So here becomes our point A. Okay, here becomes our A, and then here becomes our B, and then here becomes our C. So price came here, all right, tapped on it, and then boom, to the downside. So this was the first trade that we had for last week. All right, so full take profit was here. Okay, and then we had a trade on V30, but V30 is not on this chart, so let's use MT5. All right, so we have V30 here. Okay, so let's click it, V30. All right, so we had a buy POI on V30. Okay, we had a sweep here. All right, so let's use this. We had a sweep here. Okay, and then price broke structure. Sorry, price formed structural liquidity first, which is here, before finally breaking structure to the upside. All right, so here is our point A, here's our point B, which is our structural liquidity, and here's our point C, which is our target. All right, so price tapped on our POI and boom, to the upside. All right, to the upside. We also have a trade on V25 that is running, so let's do that here. All right, let's do that here on the chart. So we had I don't know what's wrong with this, but let's use it like that. We had our sweep, break of structure, retracement, yeah, structural liquidity, and then broke structure again to the downside. These are points A, so here becomes A, right, and here becomes B, and here becomes C. So these are C, which is our target. So price tapped on it, gave us a confirmation, and we're expecting price to come here. All right, we're expecting price to come here, so we're basically still holding this trade. All right, but I don't know what's happening with price, but I still believe that this trade will hold, so I'm still holding this trade. All right, we have a similar trade like this on NZDJPY. Okay, this is it. I gave this trade out on Monday as well, that we're waiting to see what happens. All right, and then the market opened somewhere around here. Okay, and on Wednesday, price almost took us out, but it's still surviving. All right, so had our sweep. structural liquidity forms, and then we have a break of structure, then break of structure, then price basically tapped our POI, and then it's going down. All right, so if price hits your SL, just know that you're supposed to change your broker because this trade is supposed to still be active. All right, so we're expecting price to get here. All right, but the chances of this trade holding now is not very, very slim. All right, I don't like price ranging in my POI. I like boom to the downside. All right, so these are basically the trades, just few pairs that I trade. All right, I don't trade too much. I trade the best setup. All right, I don't trade random. I trade the best. So this is a call for you to review your trade and then prepare your mindset for the new week. All right, if there's a mistake that you did, you're supposed to review the trades that you took for last week now, because today is Sunday, and then go through your charts, go through your journal, and then get your mind prepared.